Come live your dream and welcome to 5706 Coulson Court. This home sits high on the lot with maximum curb appeal. Located on a quiet cul-de-sac in desirable Lancen Village and convenient to everything. A 2-bedroom, 1.5 bath tri-level with a semi-finished walkout basement. The living room features a cathedral ceiling, gas fireplace, and a very open floor plan. The kitchen is equipped with all appliances and a pantry. The dining room has a door to the rear deck. Could easily have a 3rd bedroom. Notice the fresh paint. A nice roomy master bedroom, cool central air, 1.5 car attached garage with a door opener. Low maintenance vinyl exterior, a pleasure to show, easy to show by appointment.